Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope everything is going good there. Students, I am Bhavna, your class teacher. I am back again with a new video session for you. So, students, today we will start our video session with a very beautiful rhyme. For this, open your book of rhymes and let's start rhyme with me. Sing a song of flowers, flowers all around, flowers that are growing in the ground. Flowers of every color, they look so pretty too. Red, pink, blue and purple too. Now students, tell me, do you like flowers? Yes. Okay, now I will show you some flowers which we will see near our house or our garden. Okay, now look at the first image. This is sunflower and it is yellow in color. This is marigold flower and this is also yellow in color. And this is rose flower and the color of the rose is red. Okay students, now we will move to our next session. Students, now open your I Can Beginner book 4 and go to page number 58. Here we have an activity that is meet letter Q. Now look at the first part of this page. Here we have to circle on those pictures which begin with letter Q. First, check all the images one by one. Yes, first is pen, quill, quiver, quail and pig. So circle on quiver, quail and quail. Okay. Now look at the second part of this page. Here we have to trace all the dotted area to make letter Q. So student, trace all the dotted area and complete this exercise. Now students, move to page number 59. Here we have an activity, again make letter Q. So we have some images of quilts. Some different letters are written on them. So students, we have to circle on those quilts on which letter Q is written on them. Okay student, so complete this exercise. Now we will move to our next session. Now students, in this session we will revise the rhyme and the title of the rhyme is 5 Little Monkeys. Now start with me. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Student, revise this rhyme again and again. Okay? Now, once again, open your book 4 and go to page number 60. Here we have an activity that is I know 1 to 5. Student, firstly start with me 1 to 5 counting. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, student, firstly you have to count the objects given on the left side of this page. Then match with the number given on the right side of this page. Like, look at the first image. Here we have an image of 3 students. So you have to match it with number 3. Accordingly, students, complete this exercise. Now students, move to page number 61. Here we have an activity I can count 1 to 5. So here we have to count the objects and paste sticker. So firstly count and after that paste sticker which you have received with I Can book set. Okay student. Now we will move to our next session. In this session, students collect some different sizes leaves. Then move to page number 62. Here we have an activity that is leaf magic. So after collect leaves, paste them on the big leaf that is given on page number 62. Students, you have to paste different sizes leaves and after that fill color in the rest of the image. Okay students. Now we will move to our next session. Students, we came to an end of this video session. But before ending this video session, I would like to recall all those activities which we have performed today. Like, we started our day with a very beautiful rhyme, and the title of the rhyme is Song of Flowers. After that, we discussed about some flowers. Then we completed bookwork on page number 58 and 59. After that, we revised another rhyme, and that is 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Then revise number 1 to 5. In the end, we again completed bookwork on page number 60 and 61. Then we done some practical work. Now student, tell me, do you enjoy this video session? Yes. Now in the end, we revise both the rhymes which we learned in the beginning of this session. So once again, open your book of rhymes and start rhyme with me. Sing a song of flowers, flowers all around, flowers that are growing in the ground. Flowers of every color, they look so pretty too. Red, pink, blue and purple too. Now start 5 little monkeys. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more. One. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, no more monkey jumping on the bed. Okay, students, that's all for the day. Thanks for watching our video. Tomorrow I'll catch you with some more study material. Till then, stay home, stay safe and stay positive. Thank you.